YouTube? Yeah, today's video, I want to try to get this battery relocated to the trunk, and to do so, I went by my boys at Wires and got a, hopefully enough, I got 12 foot of 4 gauge. Like, this is the real deal type of stuff. And yeah, this stuff is usually a lot more expensive. I mean, it's 100% pure, whatever, something, I forget what it's called, but yeah, this is the real deal. So I got me on 12 foot of that, and I've also got a little 2 foot piece to ground the battery with in the trunk. And I went by Lowe's and I picked up this little block thing here, and basically all I have to do is connect this end of the blue wire to one side, and these 2 wires here will go to the other side, and that'll feed direct power from the battery straight to the fuse box and to the starter. And yeah, we should be good there. And then in the trunk, we'll just ground it. And I'm also gonna ground this right here on one of these bolt holes here. And something else I gotta do is throw in this 255 Walbro pump that I took out of the Civic when we went E85, but I kept this bad boy because I knew that we were going to be doing this project. So this is a Walbro 255, and it should be more than enough for the power goals that we're trying to make here. I want to say the pump that I put in here, I think that hose and stuff is brand new, as well as that sock when I was having them issues with the car not wanting to run under half a tank. So I'll just use that hose and probably that sock on this pump. But this pump works fine, there's no problems with it. I just pulled it when we did the 320 in the Civic so that we could do E85. And for now, since we're just gonna run 93, I'm gonna use this pump. And when we get ready to run E85, if I do decide to try it out, then all we have to do is buy another one of these AEMs, and we'll already have 1,000cc injector, so we'll have plenty of injector for the stock motor. But yeah, try to get that thrown in, and I'm gonna try to run some of that wire for the battery relocation. boards. So the car is back on the ground, and I just want to check the clutch. It feels like it's pretty low on the pedal, so it may need a little more bleeding, but I'm about to check to see if it's engaging enough to like move the car forwards and backwards. And the car isn't gonna run right, and the check engine light is gonna be on because I did break the whatever the water temperature sensor that actually feeds directly to the ECU. I broke that clean off trying to get the transmission light back up, and I completely forgot that I hadn't got one. So I gotta pick that up. I'll try to pick that up maybe Friday, but this is, again, I'm just trying to wrap this video up for you guys and let you know that the car is pretty much gonna be ready for James to get a hold of it. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just try this clutch out and see. See if it. Okay. In first. Yeah. She's engaging. It's directly at the bottom, but it's working. I think it just needs to be bled some more because it's like pretty on the floor, but she's working. So that's good news. Again, I'll get that sensor sometime between now and Friday, and probably I might try to bleed it some more before I take it to James, but it's working, and it's not really absolutely necessary for us to dyno it, so I may do it, I may not. We'll just see exactly how time goes, but essentially the car is pretty much ready. The pump is whining back there. Everything's working as it should. So yeah, I really can't complain, guys. Everything is looking pretty mint. So yeah, it should be pretty much ready for the turbo stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys really excited and stuff for this turbo. I'm ready too, because I'm to a point of tired of like prepping and stuff. So hopefully everything will work out. We can make some decent power safely, and you know, stretch the old Honda tuning suite out a little bit more. So that being said, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Smack that like button. I will catch y'all in the next one. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.